Fly Qantas to London from $1,599 when you buy a mini-stay package or tour to London or Europe from $299. Take an 8-day Trafalgar tour to London and Paris from $1,149. Or a 17-day European tour visiting fabulous locations from $2,399. Try a mini-stay holiday with 2 nights accommodation, tour and extras to the UK or Europe from $299. The first 250 to buy a mini-stay and airfare by December 18 receive a free night stopover in Singapore or Bangkok.
Call 131 600. That's 131 600.